Hello everyone. Can you repeat 30 real life expressions? Let's test yourself now. Repeat after me. At home. Can I move in before the first? Can I get the keys today? Is the apartment still available? How much is the rent? Are the bills included? Can I see the apartment first? Now, let's imagine we are at cafe. Let's order something. Do you charge extra for oat milk? Can I get an iced latte to go? What do you recommend for a pastry? Is there a power outlet near this table? Can I just get a splash of milk in my coffee? Keep the change. Have a great day. Now we are at the supermarket. Let's do some shopping. How much does this cost? How much does this cost? Do you have a bag? Can I pay by card? Is this on sale? Where can I find the bread? Now we are on transportation. Let's take a ride. Does this bus go to the downtown? How many stops is it? Can I have a return ticket, please? Where is the nearest subway station? How long does it take? Is this seat taken? Now we are at the doctor's. Let's see what we might say. I don't feel well. I have a headache. How long have you had this? Can I make an appointment? Is the doctor available today? I am allergic to penicillin. Great job, everyone. Practice makes perfect. Keep going every day. Thank you for watching. See you next video.